First, you will want to copy this video. Next, you will change the URL on this website. And then you will share this new URL here so you can get paid on complete autopilot. This money-making strategy is going to be very simple and straightforward, as you won't be required to sell anything or do anything complicated. I'll be walking you through step-by-step exactly how you can do this and set it up for yourself. And if you watch this video to the very end, I'll be providing you with an extra bonus resource for free that will help you with all of this, so make sure you stick around for that. This extra bonus resource is going to allow you to make more money on complete autopilot. And this strategy will be completely free, meaning you won't have to spend any money. So before I show you this website, I want to prove to you this actually works. You can see here that people from all around the world are getting paid every single day on this website. There are several different payment options that you can choose from, like PayPal, Bitcoin, Payoneer, and more. You'll be able to withdraw the money you earned every single day as well. So before I show you this website, we will need to do this first. Step number 1 will be to head over to youtube.com. You aren't going to be required to film any videos or publish any kind of videos. You also won't have to show your face or reveal your identity in any sort of way. What you're going to want to do here on YouTube is search for different self-improvement videos. Examples could include how to be more confident, how to improve your mental health, how to eat healthier, etc. So as an example for this video, I'm going to search how to improve your mental health. After searching that, it'll show me all these related videos that are getting hundreds of thousands and even millions of views. So clearly you can see that a lot of people are attracted to this type of content and would like to better themselves. So what you're going to do is help these people who would like to improve their mental health completely for free, but on the back end, you'll be earning a lot of money on complete autopilot. You won't have to sell anything, and you won't be creating these types of videos. So what you want to do is select one of these videos, then click right here, and then copy this link, which is the URL of this YouTube video. After you copy this link, I want you to head over to this website called uii.io. As it states right here, this website allows you to get paid for every visitor who visits your URLs. In other words, every time someone clicks on your link, you will earn money through this website. In order to do this, you have to first sign up for a free account. You'll have to paste your long link in here, which will shorten it, and every time someone clicks on your shortened link, you will get paid. And the reason that you're getting paid for people to click on this link is because when they click on that link, they will first be directed to a page that has ads, which they have the option to skip to then go on to watch the YouTube video. And anytime someone purchases anything from these ads that are shown first, uii.io will split the ad revenue with you. It's actually quite smart. There are other websites like this, but I've found that this is one of the best because it functions well and it has super high payouts. They even claim that they have the highest rates. So the first thing you want to do is click on this button that says sign up free when you get to this website. You will then want to create a username, add your email, a password, re-enter your password, and then check this box saying that you agree to the terms of use and privacy policy, and then finally click this button to register for your account. After you've created your free account, this is what your dashboard should look like. Here it'll show you your data that you can track, like your total views, total earnings, referral earnings, and your average CPM. And then right here you can withdraw your money. So when you earn enough money, you'll be able to cash out. So next, what I want you to do is click on this button that says new shortened link. This is where you're going to add your YouTube URL that you copied from that video on how to improve your mental health. So you'll just paste that YouTube URL here and then click this button that says shorten. It will then create this new shortened URL for you where whenever someone clicks on it, you will get paid. And you'll get paid every 1,000 clicks. So you're probably wondering how you'll be able to promote this link to a wide audience. I'm going to show you a platform or website that you can use completely for free to promote these links to millions of people on a daily basis. And all you need to do is complete this process once. So make sure you follow every single step of this video all the way to the end. But before we head over to that platform, I'd like you to go to this website called Linktree. And what you want to type in the URL is linktr.ee. This is a free landing page builder where you can compile several links into one page so you can earn more money through several different links. So just head over to Linktree and click on this button right here that says sign up free. You'll then just want to create a username and add your email address and then click create account. After that, you'll then want to enter a password and then click continue. Next, you will want to tell them your name and then click continue. And then you'll want to select one category that best describes your Linktree. So you can just choose any of these that you'd like. It doesn't really matter which one you pick. Then click continue. And then there are several different plans that you can choose from, but we're going to do the free option, so just choose the free option and then click Get Free. Now you've created your account. So just click Let's Go, and then you can skip this. This is what your account should look like. This phone right here is what your landing page will look like. And then right here is your specific custom link. Whenever someone clicks on this link, they'll be redirected to this landing page. On this landing page, you can add several different shortened links so you can then earn money on complete autopilot. This may seem a bit confusing right now, but just stick with me and it will all make sense. So next, you'll want to click Add New Link right here. You can title this link the same title as the YouTube video that you copied the URL from. So I'll just head back over to the YouTube video, copy the title, and then paste it right here. And then I'll go back to this website and copy our shortened link right here, and then paste it right here in Linktree. And now you can see it here on our landing page. And whenever someone clicks on this link, they will then be redirected to this landing page and be able to click this button, which will direct them to the YouTube video, which will then allow you to get paid. The person who clicked this link will be satisfied because they'll watch this video and get value. And then you will be satisfied because they clicked on this link, which will then allow you to get paid. The more links that you add to your landing page, the more money you'll be able to earn. So you can just head back to YouTube and find more videos that are related to your niche. So I'll add more videos that will teach someone how to improve their mental health. So I'll just click this video right here and then copy the URL, return to this website, paste the URL here, click shorten, copy this new shortened URL, and then return back to Linktree and paste that link here, and then copy the title of the YouTube video and paste it here. Then just repeat this process until you have several different links on your landing page right here. So whenever someone clicks on this link, they will be redirected to this landing page, and this is what it looks like. So next, you need to have traffic to click on this link so you can get paid. And now, as promised, I want to show you the extra bonus resource I have for you. This is a script that you can copy and use for yourself to share to your traffic. Here, I'm talking a little bit more about mental health and how to improve it. And then right here, I have a sentence that says, top 3 videos to improve your mental health. And then right below that, you can paste your Linktree link right here for people to click on and view the 3 videos on how to improve your mental health. As someone is reading this, they will then eventually come across this part where they can watch 3 videos to improve their mental health. They're likely to click on this as they are already reading this article on this topic. They will then be sent to this page with these 3 links they can click on to view the videos. And every time someone clicks on one of these links, you will make money through this website on complete autopilot. It's a really effective strategy, but make sure you continue watching so you know how and where to share this article that you'll need to write. So the next website I want to show you is called slideshare.net. This website hosts millions of different articles in several different topics that people come and read. And there are tons of articles that are in several different niches, including mental health. If we go to this website called similarweb.com and search for slideshare.net on here, we can see that it gets this many total visits every single month. And you'll be able to share your article on this website completely for free. This will grant you access to reaching tens of millions of people, which is absolutely wild. You won't be getting that many clicks on your article that you share, but this gives you an idea as to how many people are using this website and reading articles. So if I just type in mental health in the search bar and click enter, you'll see all these different results that are about mental health. So just head over to this website and click on this button that says sign up, and then create your own free account. And once you do, you can then upload your article by clicking here and then clicking this button right here to add your article. You'll then fill in some information related to your article and then click publish to publish your article on this website so people can view it. There are a lot of pros and cons with this money-making method. One major downside is that when posting on slideshare.net, there's always the possibility that you won't get a lot of traffic to your post and will then make little to no money. If you want to discover what's, in my opinion, one of the most profitable business models that are out there, check out the link in the description. The business model is running faceless niche YouTube channels, and it's very beginner friendly. So check that out if you're interested. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, click on this video right here.